Lincoln County begins with the health department conducting an emergency exercise in Lincoln County today. It was all to test a medicine dispensing site in the event of a public health emergency. News Channel 6's Samantha Williams went to the drill. She joins us now with the details.
Mike, the whole purpose behind this exercise is to make sure Georgia Department of Public Health employees are able to medicate the entire population within 48 hours if a public health emergency were to arise. Today in Lincoln County, the hypothetical bioterrorism outbreak was anthrax.
It's very fast-paced. This is meant to be a drive-through model where we have to medicate every single resident in the county. And that's a massive undertaking.
Hillary Daniel, the Lincoln County nurse manager, says every county in Georgia has to complete a similar drill, which is mandated by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Nearly 300 East Central Health employees came out to be the participants in Saturday's exercise.
We had the 2 medications that the state would send us, and we give those out based on allergies, based on age, based on weight.
That medicine is actually coffee beans. There were several stations set up. The first station was for paperwork, then a screening. After, patients with no health conditions were directed to an express lane, and those that have health problems went to an additional assistance lane.
And there's a physician there, there's a nurse practitioner there, somebody that can really kind of break it down and talk to them.
This exercise took only 2 hours to complete. Stephen Goggins, the district health director for the East Central Health District, says most of the time is spent planning, which in this case was 11 months.
What would happen if, if it were to happen tomorrow? You wouldn't have months and months and months to prepare to save lives.
That's very true. So that's why you practice. So everyone knows their role, knows the things that have to take place, and so then we would have a much shorter lead time. It would be less than a day.
It's important that the community knows that if this were to really happen, I would not have my employees from East Central Health District. It would be up to the members of the community to come out and help.
Daniel says anyone in the community can apply to help with these drills. Since these events are community-based, you would need to visit your county's health department to sign up. Back to you.